How to install your Forbo Allura Flex floor. First, what do you need? A pencil, ruler, chalk line, utility knife, straight blade, utility knife, hooked blade, straight edge or a measure tape, protective gloves, a tackifier Eurocol 542, adhesive tray, adhesive bucket, adhesive roller, hand roller. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure that you are satisfied with the flawless condition of the flooring delivered. Color consistency can only be guaranteed for deliveries of one production batch. Please acclimatize Allura Flex for at least 24 hours at the location where it will be installed. Put a maximum of 5 boxes on top of each other in a decent pile. Allura Flex should be laid at a room temperature of between 18 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Please note that the subfloor temperature must not fall below 15 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Laying out tiles. Please make sure that conditions of the subfloor meet the set criteria for installation. Clean the floor. Determine the middle of the room and work from there. Make a center cross on the floor and mark it down. Working from the center cross will show if the starting tile should be shifted to the left or right in order to prevent small installed pieces on one side. In case of a tackified installation, make sure you use an adhesive tray in the bucket to spread the tackifier over the roller. Make sure the roller is thoroughly wet. Start rolling out the tackifier from the middle of the room. Work in sectors so you keep your working space. Step 3. Installation of the tile. Always start the installation in the center of the room. There's no need to shuffle tiles as there is a wide variety of tiles available in one box. Lay the first tile. Using a tackifier, the tile should be rolled with a hand roller after every tile, so the tile sticks to the floor. Place the next tile on the other side of the cross against the already placed tile. Put all possible full tiles in the room. Step 4. Matching the tiles against the wall. Now you will fill all gaps in the direction of the wall. Put a tile on top of the already installed tile. Another tile comes on top against the wall. Make sure they are aligned. Cut the middle tile along the tile on top. Use the utility knife hooked blade to cut it through. The cut tile can be installed in the space between the installed floor and the wall. Take the other part of the cut-off tile, which could be used as the starting point of the next row. Continue this way of working until you have finished your floor. Your Allura Flex floor is immediately ready to use.